Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I have no idea what's in here, but we're going to find out together. This box was sent to me by Nick. Thank you very much, Nick, for sending this in. And thanks to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. We have a good time over on Patreon. Always Friday exclusive content. Always something fun going on. Really appreciative of the people who have been supporting me and have stayed there. That's become its own community over there. So thank you, seriously, to my Patreon supporters. I'm glad you guys are having fun with that stuff. Okay, there is a note. Hang on. I'm just going to get that out of there real quick. We have a couple. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm very excited. I know exactly what this is. Hello, first I'd like to say I have been watching your videos for a few months now, and thanks to your reviews, I just purchased my first Hinderer. I absolutely love it. Secondly, I apologize for any dog hair in the pack. Don't worry about that at all. I've got two dogs. There's dog hair on everything here. Don't worry about that. He's got two dogs. It says fun gets everywhere. Fur gets everywhere. Lastly, in this package is my blank, because we're going to talk about it here in a second. Awesome. Yes, feel free to disassemble. Oh, okay, cool. Wish, very, very nice. We'll be a user when I get it back. Awesome. Okay, well, thank you. And then we have, contact info and everything there. Wonderful. Yes, thank you. Everything that I need. Okay, wonderful. Well, thank you so much. Let's see. Oh, I can't wait to experience this. I remember seeing when these, this is an American-made knife, and the first of them dropped here fairly recently, so I'm really excited to check this thing out. Yeah, so this is the Vehement, right here, Vehement, and I believe this is the Mongrel. Oh, gosh, the... Oh! Oh, boy. Yeah, so here's the thing, guys. This is a shake shut, but the reason I had somebody tell me the action was very consistently smooth. Here's the crazy thing. This was built by Medford. Now, I've experienced Medford action. I've handled knives that were built by him that run on bearings, and I'm used to his phosphor bronze action, which does break in and become very smooth. Some of the bearing knives in the past that I've experienced from Medford knives have not been, the best ever. This feels good. Oh, that feels good. The flipping action is really good too. Wow, okay. That's cool. No over travel stop and no lock bar insert, but as expected, the lockup is dead solid. We actually have stop pins that are attached, or the stops, they're blade stops attached to the blade, and then they're garaged, which is really cool. You can see the detent ball path there, which I'm not always a big fan of being able to have that exposed, but okay, ergonomically it feels great. The blade is impressively thin on the stock, and oh boy, that is CPM 3V. Beautiful clip point blade. Very sharp, and thin down at the edge as well. Really cool. Nice looking American-made knife. Guys, I am sure that there will be more of these in the future. I will link the original listings to these down in the description. The first time I saw them was at DLT Trading. DLT has a good notification system, as far as I understand. I'm just constantly checking the website for things because that's generally, I have my rotation with various retailers, but I generally will stop at DLT first in my rotation to check things. But you can sign up for email notifications there. These are pretty expensive, if I remember correctly. But hey, if you're looking at titanium, it's like a faux, we've got a bronze anodized, and then just a regular satin finished titanium faux bolster there, which actually looks pretty good in my opinion. We have what I am guessing is a titanium clip, which admittedly looks a little basic for this knife, but I'm sure it works really well. Nice standoffs. I don't think there's any milling on the inside. It's a nice full-size knife. I'll put it up against the Ritter Hogue real quick and the Para 3 so you guys can get a good example or a good idea of size for this guy. So there you go. Really like how it looks. Really like the clip point blade, and I definitely like that nice fuller in there. Can you get at that fuller? Not really. Somebody else might be able to, but the flipper tab works perfectly. Flipper tab is a little pointy, but they definitely have it knocked down at the edges. Obviously, you're supposed to, you know, light switch it. You're obviously not supposed to push button it, but you can. It is definitely a little bit pointy though. Corners otherwise feel good. Nice chamfering, everything like that. Really good access to the lock bar and no double clutch. It feels pretty good. I've been interested in this. It's nice to see another, you know, American knife maker or knife designer in this case. It was designed by Vehement Knives, and I don't know his first name. I wonder if there's information here. Well, there you go. Oh, is it Live Vehemently? There's the date. I wonder if we've got some social media information somewhere. Is this maybe a social media card? Oh, well, here's some information here. Matt Martin, Gladstone, Michigan, USA. There's phone number, website, email address, and Facebook group. Very cool. So yeah, it's nice to see some more American-made stuff on the scene because we have an overabundance of everything else. So I'm always happy to show American stuff on this channel, definitely, given that I live in the United States. Anyways, yeah, if you want to check out the original listings for these and, you know, try to be ready for the next time that they drop, feel free to check out the link in the description. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today. This is just an unboxing and first impressions, not a review. The full review will, of course, come 3 to 4 weeks down the road from now, so be looking out for that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives. They're either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.